Hey everybody, welcome back to Ballards by Design. Well, we have started our garden bag, so I wanted to let you guys see what we have here. We did plant some flowers in here this time to help the bees come on in. I don't know if you guys remember, this was our blueberry bush. It started off like that one, and we've had it for about 2 years, so now we're here with it. All right, we've been planting for about maybe 2 or 3 weeks, and so we finally have stuff coming on in. Now our rabbit did return, and she's already started eating stuff. So as you can see, we've put chicken wire around the garden. Okay, she ate up my sweet banana pepper, like down to the stem, if y'all can see that. She ate it up. All right, we just recently planted okra, and so they're sprouting now. We've been getting a whole lot of rain, and so we have things sprouting pretty good. But just to let you guys see here what we have, she also ate the strawberries off of the strawberry plants. So we definitely had to go ahead and try to fence this area off. Y'all know we're grow bag gardening, and so we don't have a whole lot of space in our backyard, and so this is perfect for us. If you're thinking about grow bag gardening, you know, let us know, leave us a comment, or if you grow bag garden, let us know, and some of the things that have challenged you and what you found to work. We're open to suggestions. All right, now some of the stuff looks like there's nothing in them, but there are seeds that we just planted, so you won't see those right now. This whole bed is tomatoes this year, so as you see, we have some up and some just starting to sprout. I do see some sprouts coming up from the seeds, which is good. That one right there, I don't know if you can see it good, but it already has some little baby tomatoes on it, so that's good. And if you can see that pepper plant, it has some peppers on it. You can see in there some sprouts for potatoes. This again is blueberries, so that's how they start, you know. And that one, okay, that's after a couple of years. So just wanted to give you guys an update. This will be potatoes as well. This is Boston pickling cucumbers, and this bag will be Keystone bell peppers that we got from Homestead Heart, along with our tomato seeds over there too. So the tomato bed, those came from Homestead Heart. And this year we've also added this cute little hummingbird feeders to draw them back, because they're here every year, and so hopefully we'll get a show with them. If so, of course, you know, we'll show you guys. But that's the update on our grow bag garden. Just wanted you guys to see. All right, we love y'all big. Bye. You want to say bye? Look at my baby.
Hey guys.
All right, bye y'all.